this exercise, what did we learn? That in a Jumla Ismiya, we can have, in Jumla Ismiya, we usually have a Mubtada and a Khabar. But if we need extra information, so we may bring a Ism Mosul, connector ism to add some information about a proper ism, a talibu. For proper ism, if you want to add some information, a talibu is proper with al. So for proper ism, you can add some extra information using ism mausul, allazi. And whenever you use ism mausul, whether it is allazi or allazina or allati or allati, you will these ism mausul always followed by a short segment which is called sila. Okay, a short piece of information which is called, short or long piece of information which is called sila. So this is the new construction that you are introduced to. Inshallah, when we are going to see this kind of construction again and again, inshallah, you'll get used to it. Okay, so the next one. Before going to the next one, let's just translate these sentences so that you know the construction. At-talibul lazi kharaja min al-fasl al-ana min Indonesia. Can you translate this?
The student that just exited the classroom is from Indonesia.
Excellent. Indonesia. MashaAllah. Okay. So Alhamdulillah, you translated this well. So you know the construction. That's why you were able to translate it. Al-kitabul lazi alal maktabi lil mudarrisi. Can you translate it?
The book book that was on the teacher's desk.
Teacher's desk? No, maktabil mudarrisi. There's no maktabil mudarrisi. Alal maktabi lil mudarrisi. So the book on the that desk. Is on the desk, the book on the desk, you can say the book on the desk, on the desk is for
the
teacher or belongs to the teacher. Okay. Now, liman hazal qalamun jamilul allazi alal maktabi. This, you can start from this.
This beautiful pen. No, this
pen.
This beautiful pen is broken.
On the desk.
Table is broken.
No, liman haza. Liman. This beautiful pen on the desk belong. Whose pen is this beautiful? Oh no. belongs to whom? Okay. Can you rearrange? This beautiful pen, the one on the table, belongs to whom? This beautiful pen, the one on the desk belongs to whom? Okay. Al-Baitu.
The big house.
The big house the one
That's in
the one
in
you can say on the road, on that road, on that street, you can say street, on that street belongs to the minister. Now this one. As-sariru allazi fi ghurfati Khalidin maksurun. As-sariru
السرير the السرير is
bed.
the bed which is in
Khalid's
room.
The bed which you can say the bed in Khalid's room is broken. Because in English, if you are going to write the bed which is in Khalid's room is broken, so you are bringing two is, you can omit that and you can say the bed in Khalid's room is broken. Okay. To make the sentence short and fluent in English, you can say the bed in Khalid's room is broken. If you go for word-to-word translation, then you are going to add the bed which is or that is the bed which is or that is in Khalid's room is broken. Okay. Or you can say the bed in Khalid's room is broken. Okay. So now moving on to the next one. The next one, we can skip this. You can do it as homework. You can come up with the same type of construction. Al-kitabu allazi alal kursi saghirun. Alal kursi because ala is harf jar, so kursi on the chair. The book that is on the chair is small. And can you translate the same way? Al-kitabu?
The book on the table is big.
Is big. Very good. So you can write sentences on the same pattern. Al-baytu allazi fi hadha ash-shari lit-tabibi. The house that is on the street is for belongs to a doctor, right? So you can write that kind of sentences over here. So can you write in your own book that you have a homework and you need to come up with these sentences, okay?
Mhm.
So mudarrisun jadidun, you can add some description over here. Ar-rajulu allazi kharaja fasli ana mudarrisun jadidun is a new teacher, okay? So you can add some description over here. If you try to do as much as you can, and inshallah, if you cannot complete all 5 sentences, I'm going to help you next time, inshallah. So this is your homework, and you can think about the same construction that we did up over here, and add some come up with new sentences of your own, okay? Li bint al-falahi means Li bint al-falahi, let me tell you the words that are here. Let me tell you the meaning. Mudarrisun jadidun, a new teacher. Li bint al-falahi, the farmer's daughter, is for the farmer's daughter. Li for binti, daughter. Al-falahi, the farmer, is for the farmer's daughter. Ibnul Imami, the son of Imam. Okay, Ibnul Imami, the son of Imam. So this is your homework, and alhamdulillah, we are done with the exercises, and this is the revision part. So in this lesson 9, we have 2 parts, part A and part B. In part A, what did you learn? What did you learn? The Mawsuf Sifah fragment. This is Baitun Jadidun. Bintun Saghiratun, a small girl. Waladun Saghirun, a small boy. So these kind of words you learn in part A, right? So which type of fragment is this? Sayyaratun Jadidatun. Athar, which type of fragment is this? Sayyaratun Jadidatun. Athar, are you here? I cannot hear you. Mawsuf Sifah. Okay, what about Kitabun Jadidun? And what about the number for Sayyaratun Jadidatun? The number?
Yes.
Number. Singular, plural, or dual? Singular?
Hello?
A new car. This is when you have tanween, it usually means one, only one. So Sayyaratun Jadidatun, a new car. What about the gender? Sayyaratun Jadidatun, gender. Is it masculine or feminine?
Feminine.
Feminine, because of ta marbuta. What about Kitabun Jadidun? Gender.
Masculine.
Sorry?
Masculine.
Masculine. Okay. What about common and proper? Kitabun Jadidun is common or proper? What about the type?
Common.
Common. What about Sayyaratun Jadidatun? Common or proper? Sayyaratun jadidatun. Common or proper?
Common.
Common. Al-mudarrisul jadidu. Al-mudarrisul jadidu. Type. So, Sifah, what about type?
No, proper.
Both are proper. Very good. Okay. Let me scroll it down. Fil baiti. Fil baiti is what fragment? Fil baiti is what fragment?
Pointer.
Fi is hard.
No.
Fi is harf jar.
Jar majrur.
Yeah, this is jar majrur. Next time, try to memorize that table. Bi ta kaf lam wa min fi an ala hatta ila. I'm gonna share that chart with you, but try to memorize that. Say it with me. Bi ta kaf lam wa. Bi kaf lam wa min fi an. Min fi an.
Min fi
ala hatta ila.
ala
hatta ila. Bata kaf lam waw or bita kaf lam waw. Bita kaf lam waw. Bita kaf lam waw.
Bita kaf lam waw.
Min fi an.
Min fi an.
Ala hatta ila.
Ala hatta ila.
Bita kaf lam waw. Min fi an. Ala hatta ila. Take a screenshot and let me know when you are done. Done? Done taking a screenshot? Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Are you done taking screenshot of this?
Yes.
Okay. So another homework. First homework is the exercise that we have on the last page of this lesson. And the second homework is to memorize this chart. Bita kaf lam waw min fi an ala hatta ila. Okay. Now fil baiti is what? Which type of fragment?
Jar majrur.
Jar majrur. And what about al baitul jadidi? Al baitil jadidi.
Mosul Sifah.
Al baitul jadidu.
Mosul Sifah.
Baitil jadidin.
Mosul Sifah.
Fi baitin.
Fi jar majrur.
We also learned about this pattern. Kaslanu, jaw'anu, achanu, ghadbanu, mal'anu. So we also learned about these patterns. And this pattern, fu'lanu, this is on the pattern or the way, like pattern or wazn of fa'lanu. And the thing is, this pattern or this wazn cannot take tanween, can never take tanween. So we cannot put kaslanun. Okay, it is always, it's gonna take always single dhamma, and it cannot also take kasra. It can also neither it doesn't take tanween, like two dhamma or two fatha or two kasra cannot come on these words, and these words can also cannot take kasra. So these are partly flexible. Kaslanu, let me write over here, these are partly flexible because they cannot take tanween or kasra. These are partly flexible. Okay, so these are partly flexible. Now, this is the vocabulary, new vocabulary that you learn in this chapter. I think fakihatun, fruits, the fruit, and al-usfuru, the sparrow, at-tairu, a bird, al-arabiyatu, Arabic, sahlun, easy, mujtahidun, hardworking, al-lughatu, language, shahirun, famous, al-kubu, cup, limaza, why, and Qahira, Cairo, al-Madina, city. Sa'abun is difficult. So sahlun and sa'abun, these are opposites. Sahlun and sa'abun, these are opposites. And English, in Arabic, we call incliziyatu. Incliziyatu. So these are vocabulary words. And then the part B. Let me erase first because it's coming again and again. Adjective, what did we learn? Adjective qualifying a definite noun, like adjective that is coming for a proper ism. Mudarrisu al-jadidu. So both are proper. And another way is to add information about a proper ism is make use of ism mawsul. Okay, if you want to add some description about a proper ism, you can make use of ism mawsul. And when you use ism mawsul, with ism mawsul, you have a sila, a short description after that. Allazi you use as a connector ism, the one who, then you can add some description about the proper ism. Okay, so this is this construction you learned in the in today's lesson, the second part of lesson 9. Like you can have as I think, yes, I told you on the previous page that you can have just a short sentence, ar-rajulu tajirun shahirun. The merchant, the man is a famous merchant. But you want to add some information about that merchant. So you can make use of ism mawsul and its sila. Okay, so this is another construction of sentence. When you make this is not a simple sentence. Now this is a complex sentence. So you have different clauses in between. Just like in English, you have a simple sentence. The man is a good famous merchant, or the boy is a new student. So this is just simple sentence. But if you want to add some information, so you would make use of is Mosul to add some description about a proper ism. Okay, so this is a construction of a complex sentence. Are you getting the point? Hello?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Yes.
so this new thing that we learned today, and what else we learned? The same construction. Al baytul allazi amam al masjidi lil imami. The house that is in front of the masjid is for imam. Belongs to imam or is for imam. The house which is in front of the mosque or masjid belongs to the imam. And inda means near, or it someone has. The teacher is with the headmaster. Al mudarrisu indal mudiri. Inda can have two meanings. Inda means near, or inda may mean for someone. Again, we have new vocabulary words. I already gave you two homeworks. One is writing new sentences from your own. The other one is memorizing the